how to buy a Belgian Malinois token. So this token came under the symbol of CZDog. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code simply as it goes below. Find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So this token, as you can see, it created 6 hours ago and increased by 500,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's medium investment in a safe place. This token is trending number 3 on Ethereum section. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. This token, as you can see, it's under the Ethereum network. Now open your MetaMask for that. So I will use the MetaMask as a wallet. So as you can see, to be able to buy it there. So after you log into your wallet, what you need to do, select the Ethereum as a network from here, click on these 3 dots. Now click on import token, click on custom token and paste the token address here, click on next as you can see and click on import. So after you import the token, as you can see, go and find it here. So go and search for it. So after you find the token, click on it and click on swap here. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy. For example, USDT. I will search for it. So after that, what you need to do is set here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. I will continue swapping. So here you will be able, in a while, you will be able to see how much you receive of that token, as you can see. But make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy CZDog token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.